Supply chain attack is this sort of thing where one of your partners or you get hit by in a series of attacks, where they leverage one of the weaker companies with less secure technology to be attacked first as part of a chain of attack where they attack the larger targets. This is how supply chain attack works.
We had a recent case in Indonesia. We've been doing the POC in Indonesia in 2024 on our client side, and they wanted to test network attack discovery as a technology. It was a classical supply chain attack, so we saw with network attack discovery that malware is spreading all across the infrastructure of the customer, and some of the hosts were malificated with this particular malware. So we also highlighted this to a customer and started doing the investigation with network attack discovery and the customer's experts. And here's what we did. We discovered that one of the hosts appeared to be the IoT device which this company is manufacturing. And afterwards, after a couple of moments, we understood that this device already was sent to a customer site. So this is the classical supply chain attack mechanics when device is modified, and after that it sends to a customer site, and after that on customer site it starts spreading as well, in etc., and on other customers as well.
There are two ways that you can get involved in this supply chain attack. The first one is social attacks. The second one is technological attack. The technological attack involves one of your child companies or partner companies be hacked by a hacker through network, through a USB lying down the street, or maybe they get hit by social engineering through their phone or through social media. But once they get hit, they downloaded the file. That malicious file started to have access into said company. Then the hacker proceeds to get through every single network, starting from that small company, that less insecure company. They work their way to the larger company, and then you get hit by a supply chain attack.
With network attack discovery, we were able to detect this malicious activity, first of all, and malware spread inside of the infrastructure. We localized this incident. After that, we were able to detect which hosts were under this attack as well, and which IoT devices which were already sent to a customer site were also under the malware. With that, we were able to stop this malware spread on the customer side and also on the manufacturer side and on the customer side as well.
This incident at our customer site perfectly illustrates what makes us different, what differentiates us. Where everyone sees random anomalies, we detect patterns. Where most would just see malware, we connect the dots and detect and unlock the entire attack campaign. This case is one of many other cases where we have proven that no matter how the sophisticated attack is, we are capable to timely detect it, to understand it, and what is most important, to stop it. We have witnessed here not an isolated case, but in fact the reality of modern cybercrime, the modern cyber warfare. At Positive Technologies, we have over 20 years of experience in cybersecurity, and throughout these years, we were detecting and monitoring the most advanced attacks. We were pioneering the defense tools and methods able to resist the potential threat, able to detect and neutralize the most harmful attack. In the era of advanced AI-driven threats, it is important not just to protect, but also to anticipate. And this is what we at Positive Technologies deliver.